A group of people with dementia decided that they wanted to go to a Chinese restaurant. And they also decided it would be really interesting if they could learn how to use chopsticks to eat their meal. So how would you teach a person with dementia how to use chopsticks? You would teach them the same way you would teach a person without dementia how to use chopsticks. It's also the same way my wife, a Montessori teacher, would teach 3-year-olds how to use chopsticks. First, you have 2 bowls. One has cotton balls, the other is empty. You give people tongs, and you have them practice transferring the cotton balls with tongs. Next, you get chopsticks, but you tie a rubber band on them so that they can open and close, and you practice transferring the cotton balls with that. When they've gotten good at that, you take off the rubber band and give them practice with the transfer of the cotton balls. When they can do that with chopsticks without the rubber band, then you give them something like shredded wheat squares. Practice that. Then you get raisins. Practice that. And the next thing is eating mugu gai pan at Hunan's restaurant.